Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Curiosity Corner. My name is Jared, your friendly science Viking, and today we talked about the weather, how to measure it using a thermometer and a barometer. Well, I thought for a follow-up it would be fun to make something a little different. We're going to make a cloud. Super simple. All we need is a bottle, some isopropyl, the rubbing alcohol, and an air pump. Now, a hand pump is best, but I don't have one of those. I have the spike pump, and it's going to have to work. So, here we go. I'm going to take some of our isopropyl. I'm going to pour it into my 2-liter. There we go. And we're going to put the cap back on. Now, I'm going to slosh this around so it completely coats the inside of my bottle. There you go, very sloshy. Now, I've poked a hole in the very tip of my bottle, in the cap, so that my needle from my air pump can fit in there. And I've also covered it with tape. Hopefully, this will keep any air from escaping. There we go. All right. So right now, there's all that room. You can see it, you can hear it. All that space still in my bottle. But if we pump, there we go. Now, keep in mind, my 2-liter bottle is already full. It's full of air. It's full of the isopropyl. So by adding more air, I'm increasing the pressure, and I'm condensing what's in my bottle. Now, if you do this at home, be careful not to overpump, because after all, if you increase the internal pressure too much, it might burst. All right, we're going to call that good. Okay, so now we're going to find out if I did this right. All right, we're on to your butts. There we go. Now we have a cloud in a bottle. This is why you need to be careful with liquids around the electronics. Okay, so how did that happen? Well, I will tell you. When I compressed the bottle with all the air, the alcohol mixed with itself. It condensed more. When I released it, all that pressure that I built up burst out. It was finally released. And all of that alcohol that had condensed had formed droplets, had formed vapor. When finally released the air, when finally allowed to expand more, instead of being a liquid, the sudden release of all that pressure turned it into a vapor. Hence, I turned it into a cloud. Well, that's our show for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I did not spill liquid all over the computer. Don't tell anyone. Anyway, come back tomorrow at 10:30. My friend Joy is going to talk to you all about solar power and the sun and lights, which is going to be a lot of fun, especially given the fact that it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So that's going to be exciting for me. Anyway, make sure you like our videos, subscribe to our channel. We have new videos every day at 10:30 and 3 o'clock. Watch them all, learn about science. I think that's it. That's everything for today. Thank you so much. Have fun, be safe, and as always, stay curious.